Hi, my name is Gurleen and I'm making this video to share the writing test strategy with you. Now, the case notes that I have used for this video are for the nursing profession, but the skills that I will be discussing with you are applicable to every professional who's taking the OET exam. The first thing that you do when you get case notes in the exam is to look at the writing task. That's step one. The first 5 minutes of your test, you cannot make any notes. You simply have to read the case note. And how you should start reading, see the writing task first. This is the part that you should read first. Why you should read it? To identify who the recipient is and what's the purpose of writing. Now I'm using writing subtest 1 from the Cambridge book, the OET Preparation Nursing. The next thing you have to do during those 5 minutes reading time is to select relevant data. Now it's very easy to say select relevant information. How do you do that? That will come from the discharge plan. Using the same case notes as the example, see the discharge plan. There are different tasks for the recipient. So while the task summarizes as ongoing care, the details are mentioned under the heading discharge plan. This should be your basis for selecting relevant information. See what tasks, what requests you're going to make to the recipient and what would they need to know from the stimulus material to be able to do these things. This is a strategy for selecting relevant information. This is how you can extract all the key information from the case notes. The next step is to structure the information in order of importance. And how you should do this? Think of yourself as the recipient and consider in what order you would want to know the information. What would help in the retrieval of facts? In what order you would want the information to be presented? Now, what I've done is to demonstrate that there is no one template that needs to be followed and letters that are structured differently are equally acceptable. I have written 3 different sample letters for the same set of case notes and the same task. The case notes that I'll be using for these sample letters are the writing test 1 from the OET Preparation Nursing book. I'll be sharing the snapshots of these letters, and when you look at these, consider the appropriateness of language. I've used compound sentences in some cases, I've used complex sentences in some. So what we just discussed was the tip of the iceberg. There are many different skills that can help you in get a passing score of 350 and above in the OET writing test. We offer courses for nurses, for doctors, for physiotherapists, for dentists and for pharmacists. If you are preparing for the OET writing test, if you're planning to take it in the near future, please don't underestimate the importance of a right guidance, of knowing how to approach the test, what should be the different steps involved, how to manage your time, the 40 minutes writing time, what should be the test strategies that can be relied on, what kind of language to be used, and of course the right assessment. If you don't have an accurate assessment, if you don't get a reliable assessor to tell you what your weaknesses are, it would be very difficult for you to get a passing grade. If you're preparing for the exam, please get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help you pass the exam.